What is up, everybody? It's CampingRandy here, CampingRandy.com, and I have a prototype for you guys that are going to be released in a day or two. It is the HRG 2026 Honda Passport Trail Sport MOLLE panel. Love this. It has bigger openings than the OEM. It's black. It matches your truck. It's got a wrinkle coating on it. Even has the little rubber washers on the back. So we are going to take off the OEM Honda ones with a little mountain, which is so adorable, and we're gonna replace it with this manly thing here from HRG Offroad. Gonna be available at CampingRandy.com. So check it out. You're gonna need a T30 socket for this. Take all four of these off and then put this on. We'll be right back. Oh man, would you look at that? Made in America with American steel. Look at that. HRG Offroad now available on CampingRandy.com. Yeah, that is amazing. So T30 is needed. Link in the description. Get yours today. If you like the black and not the gray and you want it made in America, CampingRandy.com. Enjoy the adventures.